today. It's the 25th of July 2024. And here is what was the Lemminkäisenkatu, which one, 19 or?
Yes.
Stekisai. And Kaleva. Tampere, of course, became big about Finland. Built in 1962, the chamber is H9775, modernized in 1993 with 20 fixtures. Probably more or less in the beginning of 1993.
Yeah.
But I still like the sunset scan here.
Yeah. And fortunately it was only Kone, not Lemminkäisenkatu or Lemminkäisenkatu. It's not so bad modernization. Because NPN6 is also common in Finland.
Yeah. But, yeah. It's always a bit embarrassing.
Yeah.
But we have the codes.
Yeah. Niin sun piti pakki vain escutant maintained by Kone.
The dog barking.
Yeah.
Fortunately, the basic first.
Yeah. Test.